Well, good morning. I'm at the shooting range. You guys know the routine. Get yourself a cup of coffee. I'm going to go as long as I can with this video. Wrong camera, dead batteries, the whole 9 yards. Anyways, if you're following my channel right now, I've been playing with this 45 long Colt. And before I get any hate mail on it's not a long Colt, go back and do your research. I'll only put that in there. Go back and do your research before you send me a comment telling me that it's a Colt, a 45 Colt, and that's it. You're wrong. You're dead wrong. And if you don't believe me, take it up with Lee Richardson, the guy that put together all of the Lee tools that all of us reloaders like. Go take it up with him. Back in the 50s and earlier. Anyways, long story short, I'm here at the shooting range. I've already shot some rounds. I've got a beautiful target. Number 3 was absolute, couldn't ask for any better. Out of load number 3. Was it load? Yeah, load number 3. The only thing changed from load 1 to load 3 was the crimp. I'm shooting a hard crimp right now, and these was a milder crimp. And so far, I'll find out after these rounds. I brought 25 rounds of each, so I can try them out, and I am shooting off the bench because there's no sense in shooting offhand if you're trying to work up a load. And once I get the load worked up, then we'll go to shooting offhand. And right now, load number 3 is looking like where I'm going to stay. Unless this one does any better. I do have some 200s. I'll be shooting those here in a minute. I have 25 rounds of 200, and I already shot 6 of those, and those did pretty good as well. The purpose in those 200 grain is it's easier on lead. These ones here, 250 grains of lead. So for target shooting, I can save 50 grains of lead per shot, which isn't a big deal, but it is to me. I try to shoot. Especially here at the shooting range, it's for practice, other than like today where I'm actually working up a load for this pistol. So, but that's all I'm doing here. I have got my battery, like I said, I got 4 batteries and they're all just about flat. And it's from the cold more than anything. It is freezing here today. Little light wind, but outside of that, sunny once I get out from underneath this roof. But under this roof that I'm at, it is cold, cold, cold. So, have a cup of coffee. And I'm going to shoot a couple of rounds. I'm going to shoot a couple of rounds. I hope it's in the camera. I'll probably back it up. We have got a guy in Australia. Hello, Aaron. This will be a big shout out to Australia and a guy there named Aaron. So, Aaron, I told you I'd be doing a 45 shoot for you. That is today. They have a lot of strict gun laws in I won't say Arizona now, Australia. They have a lot of strict gun laws in Australia, so that's one of the reasons that Aaron loves to watch the pistol videos. So anyways, and I got another guy, he's on the Patreon channel as well as YouTube, Remington 45. Remington 45, this is for you too. I left you a comment the other day saying that we're going to shoot the 45. So here's 6 rounds of 250 grain poured cast bullets. other than it grouped really good, but the gun seems to be shooting to the left. I've shot about 8 or 9 targets this morning, and every one of them are shooting to the left. So, and that's a super group down there right now. So let's go down and look at that. Super group. Now I've had a dilemma. Now we've got the hard crimp. We got the hard crimp. That's a tight group. I think that's tighter than target number 3. Now, what are we going to do? We're going to have to practice some more and keep testing out those things. The smoke you see is because these are cast bullets with a lube groove in them. Where you see the smoke coming out, which I really like my cast bullets, and I really like the lube grooves filled with lube. I don't mind a little smoke coming out. I've been here for 3 hours all by myself. Doesn't get much better than that. All right, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the 44. I am forever calling this thing a 44. It's because I've had the 44 Magnum for 40 years. I hope you enjoyed the 45 long Colt with me today. I've had a blast shooting it. I've shot it 75 times. I tested out 3 different loads. And I am happy to say that all 3 loads shoot really nice. Which is so 200 grain bullet shot just as nice as the 250 grain bullet. Nice groups down there. So I think I've got a good target load, as well as I believe I've got a good man stopper load with that 250 grain. 250 grain. With all the tripping over my tongue today, 44 and 45. Hopefully we can make some sense out of this video. You guys have a cup of coffee with me on the way out of here, and I will see you next week.